Hi there, my name is Anna and I'm your host for Tasty Thursdays. It is the third week of November and I am here with Keith of the Forest and we are enjoying a cup of our forest garden tea. This tea keeps us warm and energized throughout the winter. And Keith, what makes this tea so medicinal?
Well, it starts with the star of the show, Chaga. Chaga is a medicinal mushroom that forms on mostly birch trees in northern climates. It collects the minerals and forms antioxidants and stores them inside the mushroom from the tree.
Nice.
And we dry it and blend it with our own medicinal herbs that we grow and gather.
Cool.
So why don't we head over to our health bar and we can explain it a little more and talk about the benefits.
It sounds good.
All right.
We are reporting from NatureCures on the health benefits of Chaga tea, right?
Chaga.
Chaga.
It's the base of our forest garden Chaga tea blend.
It is.
Chaga. Why? Because Chaga is known to be anti-aging. It can have derailing cancer cell effects. I mean, look at this list here.
I know, there's so much. You
It
can
just
find
goes
so much
on. It
online.
improves blood pressure,
Blood sugar
bowel
levels.
function,
This would be great
good for diabetes, for blood
yes.
sugar levels, reduces hyperactivity in children.
Improves eyesight.
And concentration.
Maybe I can get rid of these.
Okay, so what doesn't this Chaga do?
I know.
Okay, it does everything.
I love it.
So that's the base. We grow a lot of herbs and we also forage herbs and we dry them in our back room and we blend them and they go into our teas and our tinctures.
And we add these herbs to our Chaga tea because Chaga blended on its own really tastes pretty bland.
Yeah. We have to blend it because we can't just use Chaga because there's not enough Chaga out there. It's endangered. So when you are foraging, you only take a third of what's there at the most, and you leave some growth there to regrow back. Our base of our tea blend, forest garden tea blend, starts with the Chaga. We harvest sea buckthorn leaf, blueberry leaf, and peppermint. We dry it all, blend it all together. That's the base. Goes into these tea bags.
Blueberry leaf, which has so many benefits, not just the blueberry, but the blueberry leaf itself has
we did some research on the blueberry leaf too, yeah. Are full of amazingly powerful antioxidant that will help a person become healthy. And this wonderful tea has great inflammatory abilities.
Anti-inflammatory abilities.
Fighting off viruses.
Helps with allergies and with type 2 diabetes. So this is great for people with diabetes as well. So the combination of this,
the sea buckthorn is also very antioxidant and high in vitamin C, same as the pine needle. Then we add the peppermint in because peppermint gives it taste.
Oh, so wonderful.
And it's also soothing, and peppermint's got a whole nother taste.
And then we add things like cinnamon and
so it blends into what's in that jar
nettle.
there. That's our base of our blend. And now, when we're brewing our tea, we add a bag into the pot of spring water, and we add a piece of Chaga, and then we can keep brewing that for days. And we add mullein for good lung health and respiratory. We have sumac. What's sumac good for? Blood pressure.
Allergies as well, lungs and respiratory, yes.
Mother Nature provides all these things for us, so we grow and gather all these things we put into our tea blend.
The reason why I'm so calm is knowing that I have this medicinal Chaga herbal forest garden tea to sustain me through the cold winter months. Take care, we'll see you next time. We have an audience.